Recharging a flat WD-40 aerosol can at home requires caution and a clear step-by-step approach to restore pressure safely. First, confirm the can is undamaged and not rusted or dented, and work outside or in a well-ventilated area away from flames. Remove the spray cap by pulling straight off and inspect the valve stem nipple. It is a small, protruding metal pin in the center of the valve assembly and must be clean of debris. Use a proper tire valve adapter that fits over the valve stem nipple. A Schrader-style inflator head with a screw-on or clamp-style connector works best because it creates a secure seal without forcing direct metal-to-metal strain. Create a protective shield by fitting a piece of strong plastic tubing or a modified cap around the top to catch any spray and prevent accidental discharge. This also helps guide the inflator head. Attach a low-pressure air source such as a bicycle pump with a pressure gauge or a regulated compressor set to manufacturer recommended pressure, which is typically around 120 to 160 pounds per square inch for many aerosols, but use caution and aim for the lower end to avoid overpressurizing. Inflate gradually in 10 to 15 second bursts, pausing to feel the can for cold spots that indicate product displacement and to check the pressure gauge. If you feel unusual bulging or hear stress sounds, stop immediately and do not use the can. Common mistakes include overpressurizing the can, which can cause rupture, so always use a regulator or manual pump and keep pressure low. If you notice any bulging or hissing, stop and discard the can safely at a hazardous waste facility. Another issue is poor sealing between the inflator and valve stem, which causes air loss and mess. Use the correct adapter and a plastic shield to stabilize the connection and reduce the chance of accidental product spray. People also forget to purge air from the inflator hose, which forces solvent out into the hose and inflator. Clear the hose by directing any initial discharge into a rag or open safe area before connecting fully. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find jobs related to maintenance tasks like aerosol handling and restoration guides. We also host a discussion community where our members share hands-on tips and safety experiences to help each other make smarter decisions.